For this recipe, I took a half pound of lean ground beef, the 82%, and then I will add garlic, paprika, salt, and pepper. I usually do this to taste, but you can measure out if you'd like. I now make sure that my hands are washed, and then I will just simply mix it up with my hands. For this recipe, I made sure that the oven was at 375. So ignore our sad looking cookie sheet, but I will put a layer of Pam down, and then I will just roll out each patty into a ball and then flatten it into about an inch thick patty. Now time to stick these guys in the oven. Usually we'll let these burgers cook for about 40 minutes. For the caramelized onions, I use a medium purple onion and simply peel off all the skin and discard. I cut the onion into 3 slices. I lightly coat the bottom of the pan with olive oil and pull the onion layers apart. I let the onion saute for about 5 minutes before adding the balsamic vinegar. Then I let the mixture cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. During the 40 minutes, I generally will flip the burgers a few times to make sure they are cooking evenly. These smell amazing. Now I would like to add that I have used this method with ground turkey and chicken as well. Next, I cut up this beautiful heirloom tomato into slices and mash fresh avocado, and then voila! When all combined, you have a simple caramelized onion burger that tastes really fresh and delicious. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Sarah's Kitchen, and hopefully I will see you next time.